hat. In 1992, Konami reportedly cancelled an experimental horror project, a Silent Hill prototype developed years before the franchise officially existed. I found this at an estate sale. No case, no listing, just ... Silent Hill minus 1992. But that's not possible. The first game was in '99. The tape seems to be a pitch VHS, a proof of concept for internal review. The first thing we noticed was the sound. There are footsteps, but no character on screen. Then, the timecode glitched. It's not a real time stub. A distorted voice came through the static. You're too early. We tried to restore it. There's a second audio layer, and it's not degradation, it's intentional. When we cleaned it up, we heard a child humming. Then, the footage changed. A hospital hallway appeared, something not on the original tape. The automatic captions read, "Why did you restore it too?" Suddenly, the lab lights flickered in sync with the siren on the tape. Footsteps echoed in our room. A clear voice said, "Silent Hill was never a game."